Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TickPick how to claim tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to claim tickets on TickPick, what you need to do first is head over and open up your mail, and over here what you need to do is search for an email from the ticket platform. Then once you have selected it, open the email and click on Accept Tickets button. Then you'll be redirected to the Venus ticketing platform. Then once you are there, simply log in or create an account using the same email address you used to purchase the tickets. Then once logged in, your tickets will appear in your account and you can add them to your mobile wallet or simply add it to the TickPick app. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.